Hey guys, you've probably seen my videos on the previous real working rigs that I found. The GMC truck and the Freightliner. Next is the Matchbox Jungle Expedition truck. Now this truck is a new casting. So was the Freightliner and the GMC truck. But this truck was designed for this year, unlike the GMC truck. I don't know about the Freightliner truck. But here we go. But one thing I will say is that this truck here supposedly is gonna be one of the fan favorites. So one thing that I will say right now is it has a cage with an animal. The cage does open up, and the back, can't tell what the back does. We'll find out. And the threads actually work on here. And here are the two previous trucks. So we will see how this truck works. So supposedly these work. And yes, they would do. If you don't put pressure on the back over here, you won't get it to do it good. But this front end turns to the left and the right. But see, that easily pops off. I don't like that. But there's how the back looks. Put some shovel. You got an extra gas tank. Animal rescue. It's pretty cool. Looks like a military type vehicle. Got double axles in the front. You have your threads in the back. That's how the back of it looks. And put this traps, first aid, nets. Put this plastic piece back on. Okay, that's how it's supposed to be. There we go. See that now? That's how it's supposed to be. So the design of this is pretty nice. Here's the cage. I believe this is how the cage goes. Try to open the cage up. The way they show this is pretty weird. So, hold up, if I figure this out. Okay. Well, an error made by them. As you can see, the cage opens up like this. Then you have a, what looks like a cheetah. No, that's not a cheetah. What am I saying? What is that? Some sort of cat here, as you can see. It's hard to see. It's some sort of cat. Like, trying to think of the name, but cannot remember the name. But so here it is. Here's the little cat. Now on the packaging, it shows that the cage opens down, as you can see. But I don't see that. Here's the cage. Pretty small cage. But lock it in there and open it back up. Put the sleeping cat back in here. Large cat. There we go. Put that back in there. So it was designed so that it would fit in there, and it does. So that's how it looks. Do a quick 360 here. And there we go. So here are the 3 real working rigs. So now you guys seen them. Thank you guys for watching. Good luck finding any of these that you guys are interested in. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for your support. Bye.